Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Pat, and in today's video I am continuing to set up my classroom for the 2019-2020 school year. So if you like classroom setups, keep watching. If you have not liked, subscribed, click the notification bell, please do that. I'll give you a moment to do that. Thank you. And also, please comment below, what is your favorite part of setting up a classroom? Tell me, what is your favorite part? I think my favorite part is probably a portion of the bulletin boards. I always do the bulletin boards first, so I would say I think that's probably one of my favorites, just putting the paper and the border on it. Now what else I'm going to put on it, I don't know, but I think that's one of my favorite parts. And maybe the organizing of the shelves, the closets and things like that is my favorite part. So I kind of have a little list of things to do, and the first thing I'm going to do is to organize this desk. I think I'm going to start here. So let me show you that. So the first thing I think I'm going to do is start here on this wall and work my way around. So I'm going to start here, clean this table off, make sure that everything is nice and neat and organized there. Then I'm going to organize my desk and then organize the things that are behind my desk on the shelf and other things that are on the ledge, and go from there. So I have my list, and as I do things, I'm just going to check it off. All right, so let's get started. So if you're wondering what I'm doing, this is an old bulletin board that I had up for the Summer Bridges program. So I took it down, but I put all the pieces on this table here. So I am getting the staples out of it so that I can put it away. And I think after I do this table, I'm going to move to my closet. I really want to go ahead and organize that closet so that I can put things in it as well. So I'm going to organize this closet because there are those alphabets that I just took down off of the other bulletin board that I need to store. So before I put anything in here, I want to clean it first. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll start going around the room. Good morning, beautiful people. Today is Wednesday. Nope, today is Tuesday, July 23rd, and it is about 11:13. And I am here at the school. We have a professional development today. I'm in the room for about 45 minutes, so I'm going to try and knock out a few things to get this room ready as part of day 4 of the classroom setup. So let me show you what I need to get done. And if you've not seen the first 3 parts, I will have them linked below so you can click on them. And I hope you're having a great day. I hope you are getting your classroom set back up if you're starting school anytime soon. So hold on, let me show you what I'm going to try and do in the next 45 minutes. Alright, so one of the things I'm going to try and do is get this desk cleaned off, this table cleaned off, this table cleaned off. I'm going to put those things back where they belong. Well, maybe not, because I need to clean that shelf off and organize those things, so maybe not that just yet. But I need to get this table cleaned off. I'm going to get this table cleaned off, that one over there, put that stuff back where it belongs, organize those things right there on that table at the door, put those things away, and organize and put this where it belongs. All right, so that's what I'm about to work on.